Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update the drivers of our video card. Before doing this, if you do not know the model of your video card, you can find out by typing DXDiag in the search section. Once we know what our video card is, we will download the driver for our video card. For NVIDIA, AMD and Intel graphics cards, I put the download link in the description section. You can go directly to the download page from there. Click on download and start the download process. We downloaded the program of our graphics card. Now you can update your video card drivers and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is scan and repair. To do this, we enter the Battle.net. Then we click on Options. After doing this, we click on Scan and Repair. Scanning is complete. If we are running our game through Steam or Epic Games, the steps we need to do are slightly different. If we are opening our game from Epic Games, here's what we need to do. Click on Library. Then we click on the three dots next to our game. Click on Manage. And finally, click Verify. If we are opening our game from Steam, here are the things we need to do. Right-click on our game. Then we click Properties. Click on Local Files. And finally, we click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. We verified our game files. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to add launch options. To do this, we open Battle.net. Then we click on Options. Click on Game Settings. We take the additional command line arguments and write -D3D11. And finally, we click on Done. To do this at Epic Games, we click on our profile. Then we click on Settings. We scroll down and click on the game we want to add launch options. Then we tick the additional command line arguments. And we write -D3D11. To do this on Steam, we right-click on our game. Then we click Properties. After doing this, we write -D3D11. We added the launch options. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to turn off the overlay. We are having a problem because the overlay feature is a load on our computer while playing the game. The overlay feature is available in programs like Discord, GeForce Experience, MSI Afterburner, and Riva Stats Server. Since I only use Discord from these programs, I will show you how to turn off Discord's overlay feature. To do this, we open Settings. Then we scroll down and click on Game Overlay. We toggle off Enable in-game overlay. If any other programs are open, be sure to close them. Because programs with this kind of overlay feature put a lot of strain on our computer during the game. This can cause us problems. After turning off overlay, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fifth solution. Our fifth solution is to change our game's compatibility settings. To do this, we right-click on the shortcut of our game. Then we click Properties. Click on Compatibility. Then we tick Disable Full-Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. And we click Apply. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our sixth solution. Our sixth solution is to delete temporary files. To do this, we come to the search section and open Run. Then we type %temp% in the search bar. We click on OK. We select all the files here and delete them. We tick Do this for all current items and click Skip. We deleted the temporary files on our computer. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our seventh solution. Our seventh solution is to delete the game files. To do this, we come to the search section and open Run. Then we type %appdata% in the search bar. If there is a file belonging to the game we are having problems with, we delete this file. We open Run again and write %localappdata% in the search bar. And as we did before, if there is a file belonging to the game that we have a problem with, we delete this file. Finally, we open File Explorer. Then click Documents. Click on My Games. If there is a file belonging to the game in which we have a problem, we delete this file. We deleted our game files. Now when opening the game again it will do a small update. After this update, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.